This is the Weather Xtreme video, the morning edition for Wednesday, October 15th. I'm James Spann. Cold core upper trough rotating through here today. Some spots might see a touch of light rain, especially north of Birmingham. Let's take a look at that thing. This is the system that brought the severe weather Monday and Monday night, and that pulled down the cool air we had yesterday. Temperatures this morning are in the 50s. Cool spot is Haleyville. They've got 54. And around the nation, for most of the country, it is seasonally cool with 30s, 40s, and 50s. The warm air lingers on the Atlantic coast, but that will be gone soon. This is the overall rain for the next 5 days, and I would beg to disagree a little bit. I think we need to paint down a strip of very light rain for the northern third of the state today. But other than that, yes, we'll be dry through the weekend. This map is valid through Monday morning of next week. In fact, we got some really, really nice fall weather coming up. Tropics a little active. We got that little disturbance between Africa and the Lesser Antilles. Winds aloft out there are harsh, but obviously the system to discuss on the board is this hurricane, Gonzalo. Now a major hurricane, Category 3. Top winds 125 miles an hour. And this thing is going to be moving very close to Bermuda on Friday. Thought I'd show you the spaghetti model plots. Plotted on Google Earth. You can see the island of Bermuda there, and the bulk of the models keep it just to the west of the island, which is not good. You'd rather the thing kind of pass to the east, but one way or the other, they're going to have a rough ride on Friday, and this could still be at Category 3 status at that point. Let's take a look at modeling here. This is the GFS, the OZ run, valid today at 1 o'clock local time at 500 millibars. Big old cold core trough rotating through, and down below that, we all know that probably some clouds will linger across the northern half of the state today. Here's the high-resolution HRRR model, the HRRR at 6 o'clock, and you can see the little patches of light rain, mainly north of a line from Millport to Warrior to Gadsden. And not everybody's going to see rain today, but a few people will. So don't be shocked if you see a few raindrops if you're north of Birmingham this afternoon or early tonight. Otherwise, cloudy periods, breezy, cool. Highs today, mid to upper 60s. And up in the Tennessee Valley, some of our friends up around the Tennessee border might hold in the 50s all day. It'd be a very cool day. Tomorrow, we start the day in the 40s. Most guidance, in fact, both the NAM and the GFS have Birmingham at 49. The sky should be sunny. Highs 67 to 70. This is Friday, and again, we start the day down in the upper 40s, the high well up in the 70s. It'll be a warmer day Friday, but just gorgeous, low humidity. And then Saturday, as the weekend begins, everything A-OK. We still have a northerly flow aloft. In fact, kind of a reinforcing surge of cool air drops in here. Just really nice. Football, racing at Talladega, whatever. Looks really good. Sunday, we start the day in the 40s. High Sunday should be in the low 70s. And early next week, we stay in great shape. That's Monday, and Tuesday just dry as could be. So after today, no chance of rain for a while, which is typical of October. And yeah, we see that mischief down there in the Bay of Campeche. This is a week from today, Wednesday the 22nd. A fairly high amplitude pattern across the continental United States, troughing in the west, ridging north of us, and troughing just off the Atlantic coast. And again, we're still dry. And again, we have the system down there in the Bay of Campeche. This is the following Saturday, October 25th. We're still dry. That surface low is kind of sitting over the Yucatan Peninsula. And hey, on the 26th, all of a sudden, a trough comes along, picks that thing up, and pulls it right up into Apalachicola. Now, we all know how many times has the GFS done this in the medium range, 7 to 15 days out and nothing happens. But again, I'll say this, the Gulf has just been untouched this season. So something like that could happen. The hurricane season runs through the end of November, so I'm not saying it's not going to happen, but obviously, we'll be great skeptics until something actually shows up down there. This is the end of the forecast right around Halloween, October 30th. Big trough over the eastern U.S., and boy, look at the cold air flooding south, if this happens to be correct. That would be very cool and breezy. Temperatures for the next 15 days. Looks more like October, doesn't it? Highs in the 60s and 70s and lows mostly in the 40s. And the one thing you don't see on that map, the 80s. They're gone for a while. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can't catch us this evening on the live stream of the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.